Have you ever taken a drone photo that just felt kind of flat? Like the location was incredible, the lighting was good, but somehow the image just doesn't pop the way you imagined. Well, I believe that there's one simple edit that can instantly make your drone photos look more cinematic, and most drone pilots either skip it or don't realize how powerful it actually is. So, let me introduce you to the tone curve. Hey, it's Adam with UAV Coach, and as a leading drone education company, we're here to help you fly smarter, safer, and more creatively. And today, we're diving into one of the most underrated photo editing tools for drone photographers, which, as I said before, is the tone curve. Now, the tone curve might look intimidating at first, but it's basically an advanced contrast tool. Here's how it works. When you open the tone curve panel, whether you're in Lightroom or a mobile app like Snapseed, or even a browser tool like Photopea, you'll see a straight diagonal line going from the bottom left to the top right. That line represents the brightness values of your image, from pure black to pure white. We're going to add 3 anchor points, one in the bottom where the shadows are, one in the middle where the midtones are, and one in the top where the highlights are. From there, you can start shaping your image. When you lift the shadow point, the darkest parts of your image get brighter. And when you lower the shadow point, the shadows get darker. Adjusting the midtones will brighten the overall exposure without blowing out highlights. And editing the highlights can either add a clean glow or tone things down if they're too intense. Play around with these settings and see how each tweak changes the mood of your photo. The tone curve is truly powerful. Small moves can make a really big impact. You might start to see a gentle S-curve. This shape is classic for adding depth and contrast without going overboard. Already, your image can start to look more cinematic, richer, and more intentional. But we're not done yet. Now let's talk color. If you switch to the individual red, green, and blue channels, you can do even more precise tone control. In the red channel, for example, lifting the curve in the shadows adds red. Pulling it down adds the opposite of red, which is green or cyan. You can do this for the midtones and the highlights. You're basically choosing which colors you want to have in specific parts of your image. The same goes for the green and blue channels. Dragging up adds that color, dragging down adds its opposite. And this is where the cinematic feel really comes in. Subtle color shifts in the shadows or highlights can enhance the mood of your entire image. If you want a warmer sunset, just add a touch of yellow to the highlights by adjusting the blue curve. And if you want cooler shadows, just pull in a little cyan from the red curve. And with everything, just don't go overboard. And here in Lightroom, we can click the toggle button next to the tone curve panel to turn the effect on and off to see the before and after of this one adjustment. And that's just a taste. Inside our new aerial photo and video course, we walk through full edits like this from start to finish, including full tone curve work, color grading, composition tips, and more. If you're serious about improving your drone photography and videography, this course is built for you. You'll find a link in the description if you want to check it out. And in the comments, let us know if you've ever used the tone curve in your work. If this video helped you see your drone photos in a new light, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.